Today we're going to figure out who is going home with these fabulous worn out plastics for a 1989 through 1994 KDX200.
Do you know if the mails come today?
No.
Sorry, that was just more interesting than what you're talking about.
We got 192 hopeful entries into this contest, and of those entries, some of them were complete goofiness. Another set of people had motorcycles that they would probably put these on, but it wasn't a match made in heaven. Maybe a hodgepodge of different bikes, or a motorcycle like this that had worn out plastics, and these would be an upgrade. Then there was a set of people who could genuinely use these. I feel like the people who have a motorcycle like this that is missing radiator shrouds and side covers should have a pretty good shot at getting these. So to be exact, we're going with 57% odds. I chose that number because if I take 7 quarters, a handful of these quarters are going to be thrown in with the plastics, by the way, and we'll write K on 4 of them. If I randomly selected one of these, there's a 57% chance that I'll get a K. And the K stands for kid with a KDX that's missing radiator shrouds and side covers. Ready, camera girl?
I'm ready.
Give me your boot.
Okay.
So have you ever pitched quarters at a tire before? Come on over here.
No one wants a quarter from my stinky old boot.
So here we go. Closest coin to the tire determines if somebody gets these plastics who will put them on a period KDX or something else, animal, vehicle, or vessel. Closest one. Closest one.
Oh, wow.
That's a K. Undeniable. 4 people just got very lucky. Can I get that for you?
Oh, how sweet.
The 4 people who sent me pictures of motorcycles that these plastics will bolt onto directly and currently are without plastics are Andrew Brixon, Justin Carlucci, NP88899, and Plainviews. All worthy nominees for this fabulous prize. I'm excited that whoever wins these plastics are going onto the motorcycle that they were designed for, and because of that, we're going to let the KDX decide. Every entry gets a kick. The motorcycle has a cold engine, it's not going to be choked, and I'm not going to touch the throttle. 1 kick per round. Whoever starts the engine and it runs long enough for Jennifer to say, "Congratulations, current kicker, you are the winner tonight." They are said winner of the plastics, and they'll have a piece of mail on their doorstep in a few days. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, we better complicate it a little bit more then. I want the viewers to have a say-so in who wins. Out of these 4 contestants, Plainviews had the most likes on the Instagram post of his motorcycle, and for that reason, every time his turn comes around for a kick, Camera Girl's going to flip the bonus coin, and if the bonus comes up on the table, Plainviews gets an extra kick.
Okay.
Got it?
I've got it.
So first entry is who?
Andrew Brixon.
No throttle, no choke.
Next one, Justin Carlucci. Next one, NP88899 to you.
This may take a while.
Next one, Plainviews. Okay, he gets a bonus. Oh, no extra toss. Okay, Andrew Brixon. Justin Carlucci. NP. Plainviews. Okay, no, let me move on. Andrew Brixon. Justin Carlucci. That one was close. NP. Plainviews. Andrew Brixon.
Did you give him his extra toss?
Oh, wait.
Plainviews, extra bonus.
Oh, bonus! Bonus for views. Justin Carlucci. NP. Plain views. No extra bonus. Andrew Brixton. Oh dear. Bonus. Justin Carlucci.
Close.
Oh, that was a terrible kick. Poor NP. Plain views. Bonus. Andrew Carlucci. Carlucci. Plain views. Justin. I feel like Justin might get it. It likes Justin. Carlucci. Justin Carlucci, I need to talk faster. Bonus. Justin Carlucci. No. 8889. NP88. Bonus. Justin Carlucci. Justin Carlucci. 8899. Carlucci. Congratulations, NP8.
Oh.
Congratulations, Plain. This is such a tease. Congratulations, Andrew Brixton. You are Carlucci. Congratulations, Justin Carlucci.
A little bit more.
8 and 9. Congratulations. Congratulations, Andrew Brixton. You are the
Andrew.
Carlucci. NP 899. Congratulations, NP. You. Congratulations. Congratulations, Andrew Brixton. Congratulations, Justin Carlucci. You are the winner of the contest.
So the wording is congratulations, you are the winner of the contest.
Yes, but I have to say their name. 899. Congratulations, Andrew Brixton. You are the Congratulations, Justin Carlucci. You are the Congratulations, NP888. Bonus. Congratulations, Plain Views. You are the winner. Congratulations, Justin Carlucci. 99. Congratulations, NP.
Whose idea was this?
This is a terrible idea. Plain Views. Congratulations, Plain Views. You are the winner of the contest. That.
No.
Okay.
No.
Congratulations, 899. Congratulations, NP88899. You are the winner of the contest. Congratulations, Andrew Britty. Plain Views. Congratulations, Plain Views. You are the winner of the contest. Woo! How many kicks was that?
Plain Views, you've got some plastics coming to you.
And a handful of quarters.
And a handful of quarters. I think I'll adorn the plastics with the quarters. Send me a video or a picture of these on your motorcycle, preferably with you scooting around with them. And thank you everybody else again for entering the contest. And thanks for watching.